Disgusting, Jen. Disgusting. Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty? On today's episode, we're going to continue our 10,000 mile service. As promised, we're going to take care of the mass airflow sensors. Now, the mass airflow sensors is a service that normally gets ignored by most people, and I like to do it every 10,000 miles, especially if I'm noticing a drop in fuel economy. So I have noticed a drop in fuel economy, so that means the sensors are going to be a little bit on the dirty side. So we're going to go ahead and take care of it, show you guys how to do it. It should only take about an hour or so. Don't freak out that it's going to take an hour, Jen.
I'm like, I don't have an hour to devote to you.
Now for this job, we're going to need some basic tools just to take off hose clamps and to take off some Torx screws. And then also, you're going to have to get a 3-step ladder so you can contort around the damn truck and kind of lay on it. Make sure you get yourself some of this stuff. This mass airflow sensor cleaner. We have this stuff linked on our Amazon page. You do not want to be cleaning the sensors with anything else but this because they are very sensitive. You will damage them.
Just spit on them. Just spit on it. Wipe it off. It works for kids.
We're not jerking off, Jen.
Shut up.
All right, guys. Let's get to it.
I feel like I should be playing that TikTok song. You know? That's my type. That's my type. You like so promised that this was going to be quick. It's not quick. Liar. Should have woken up one of the boys. I don't like doing this shit. This is why you pay people to do this, babe.
Seriously, Jen.
I'm helping.
Helping what?
I'm helping you. B-roll.
This is B-roll.
This is B-roll. What you doing?
Trying to find a Torx bit.
This is his garage. I don't come in here ever. I can't find anything. I get yelled at when I leave stuff in here too, but I don't know how he figures it out that I leave stuff in here. It's not like you can find anything in here.
Shut up, Jen.
It's a mess. It's an absolute nightmare.
Organized chaos. Shut up.
You know, I will admit that I throw stuff in here just to get it out of my house. I'll let you figure it out when you decide to clean out your garage. Promise?
No, it's a threat. All right, let's go over the 3 sensors that you're going to be getting. 2 are on the intake, 1's on the top of the engine. The easiest one to find is the one right by the throttle body. That right there is a sensor right by the throttle body, held in by a single T27 bolt. Super easy to take out. That's the easiest one. Next one is the engine one. You could see it right there, right behind the engine cover, that little piece right there. That is the most difficult one to take out because you got to crawl on the engine. And then lastly, that one. That right there is a mass airflow sensor. And for the most part, we're going to see if we can take it out, but I don't think you can take that out. So we got to take this whole tubing out in order to get to that bad boy. All right, so with that, we're going to get to it.
You seriously going to do the whole thing out here?
Why wouldn't I?
No, you said quick video. You said it really quick.
Shut up, Jen.
I agreed to quick. I did not agree to, like, helping.
Okay, so can I get you on this side?
Maybe. Is there breakfast in it for me?
You know what? I think we're going to take the tubing out of the way.
What?
So that,
You are so full of shit. This is not quick.
we're going to do this so that people can see what we're doing.
I like how you ask me to do this, right? But I can't see shit because I am 5'2".
What's your point, Jen?
I can't see anything. I'm just holding this over here in hopes that I'm getting something.
You want to stop recording and get a stool?
Well, yeah.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna die.
How do you figure?
I'm gonna die. I have like no sense of coordination and you want me to do all this crap.
Oh, what crap?
Like filming and shit.
What the fuck? Let go, you stupid thing.
Yeah. Just yank. Really hard. Just yank it. It's dirty in here. How do you guys wash your engine thingy?
Very carefully.
Just power wash it?
Yeah. Okay, let's try to disconnect these two. This was very poorly designed.
Yeah, well, I don't think Ford really gives a shit about your opinion. It's just him thinking. Like
I'm allowed to think.
It's like the big rock. I'm thinking.
Thinking. Thinking. It's not happening with him.
Any minute now we'll hear dum dum, give me gum gum.
Yeah, okay. But that's so poorly put together. It makes it impossible to get to this fucking thing.
You don't need it then.
Okay, let's see if we can get this totally separate. Okay. That should give us the space we need to get to that first one. Okay, let me switch spots with you.
What? God damn it. Hey, you think malls are open this weekend?
It might be.
I need a mall. Really need a mall.
You don't need it.
I fucking need a mall. Okay, he's fiddling with something.
Yeah, trying to get this to separate. Oh, come on.
Honey, just yell at it a little bit more. That always works.
Yep, sure does.
It's been a while since we shopped.
What the fuck? Why won't that let go?
Because it doesn't like you.
Let's at least get it out and get it cleaned up.
You spit on it.
Spit on what?
Spit on the sensor. Clean it with your shirt.
Why are you complaining?
Who?
You.
Always complain. I could be watching K-dramas now, but no.
How's this sensor look? It looks pretty clean. This one don't look too bad. We're gonna give it a quick blast.
Get the power washer.
Push it back in.
Power washer.
Really?
Why do you always blame them?
Yeah, most of the time it's your fault.
I know. Where is this? We find everything in the truck.
Alright. Give me a rag.
I can give you one.
Oh, gross. We got a rag.
Me too.
That's disgusting. You're so fucking disgusting.
See, Frank, your videos are more entertaining with Mom out here.
Just disintegrated it to level.
You know how many people are gonna be all grossed out on this video now?
You're not gonna play that.
I'm not.
No.
Okay, one done.
Woo.
One?
Just one.
He's got 2 more to go. He lied to me. He told me it was gonna be quick.
Have you not heard his version of quick?
Yeah, I know.
His version of quick is like an hour,
Oh.
maybe an hour and a half.
I guess I should be like watching what he's doing.
Yeah, sort of.
Is Christian better at this than I am?
Yeah.
Okay, here, take over.
You gonna disappear?
I got some K-dramas to watch.
Oh, come on. All right, let's try something. Oh, I can actually see it from here.
Ooh.
So that's it right there. You can barely see it. That's it. We're going to clean it without taking it out. Now this stuff just evaporates. It's not going to hurt the engine or anything like that. So it's okay to spray it in. So give it a couple good sprays and let it dry. Now comes the hard one.
Which one's the hard one?
The one at the top of the fucking engine. That one sucks, a big fat one. I think, if I remember right, that's a 10 mil. Ah! And it's not a 10 mil, god damn it. There we go. It's an 8 mil. So, I gotta get the fucking tools to get it out. Fuck me, this sucks.
I don't remember last time that being this hard.
Oh yeah. Definitely was this hard.
You got this, Dad.
Shut up, Christian. Yeah, why is it so hard?
That's what she said.
Oh my god, shut up. Oh my god, this is a workout. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got it out?
Yeah.
Alright, now where's the damn sensor?
It's back there, in the worst spot possible. I'm too fat for this shit.
Same. Don't worry, Dad, you got this.
Oh my god, all of this hurts. And that one, for sure, is dirty. The clip is not letting go. So we're gonna have to clean it while it's there. This sucks.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna put a rag down this time to avoid anything getting into the intake. And this one is usually the dirtiest.
This thing will close. Alright.
Doing this one-handed, it's very difficult. Okay, I think that should be good. Yep. Make sure that clip is in. Now we get to reassemble the rest. That sucks.
It does.
I need to get back to the gym.
Now you gotta twist it.
Overall, that sucks to do, but if you're seeing any kind of fuel economy degradation going down that's not tied to your lead foot or new tires because you went with the more aggressive tread, one of the first things you should check is the mass airflow sensors. And ours were fairly clean. Truck's only got 10,000 miles, so the first two on the intake system were relatively clean. The one at the back of the engine, that was a little oily, but that's to be expected. Almost all the time, those are always oily. So it's a good idea to clean those. Now, another reason to clean these is if you have a K&N filter. K&N filter, those oil-based filters, will always have problems with oil buildup on those sensors. So if you're running a K&N filter, I highly recommend you do this a minimum of every 10,000 miles because that recharge will coat those and it will impact their ability to read anything. You also want to be careful with them. You don't want to touch them. You mainly want to use the spray to really blow out all the stuff. It's almost like an alcohol-based spray, so it will evaporate and clean everything off. All right, guys. That's it for our 10,000 mile service series. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.